Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. You can see the typing effect on the name video developer, web developer. This is done by using typed JavaScript library. You can see the hover effect on the button, and you can see the hover effect on the social media icons, and you can see the Glassmorphism effect on the profile image. Then if you go to the skills section, you can see the box shadow effect and how neatly we have uh, designed the entire skill sets, and you can see how we integrated the icons into the skill sections, and you can see 70%, 60%. It gives a very professional look to your portfolio. Then you can see the hover effect on the navbar also. You can see this is the education section. They are aligned one after the another using flex. Then we have career. In the career you can see the box shadow effect around each and every goals. You can see how professional it looks. Then we have hobbies, then testimonial section. You can see how neatly we have designed them, the curvature and entire circle inside which we have aligned our image. It gives a very professional look to a website. This is one of the latest types of portfolios that are in design, that is using glassmorphism and having a gradient background. You can see now we are in the contact form. You can see how they are aligned one on the another, and the icons. You can see the email. This entire website is also available in mobile version. This is entirely responsive. Let me show you that. This is the mobile version of the website. You can see the navbar here. We can move to the scroll section, skills section. You can see the effect of navbar, how neatly we have aligned the entire sections. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Try to build this website by your own. Take the reference code which is available in the description. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. And if you like the website, please like, share and subscribe. It gives a very much time efforts for building such websites and deploying them to you. And the full tutorial, line by line tutorial, will be available in the website, in the YouTube channel. Please try to visit there for more for learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. Thank you.